Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about how to apply dimensions in CATIA drafting. For that, first of all, I select this view, and here is the option Generate Dimension. Select it. Now select this dialog box and select OK. Select this Generated Constraints. Select OK. Now it automatically shows dimensions. Select and drag the dimension here. Select this dimension and drag where you want to place it at desired positions. Note here the circle dimension is missing and this dimension is repeating. Select this dimension, delete it, select this dimension, delete it, select this dimension and drag it here. Now we give this dimension for circle, select this dimensions and here select diameter dimension. I select this circle and select this diameter dimension. Again I select this dimensions, I select dimensions. Now this time I select this circle and this line. This is 100 mm from here to here. And now I want to give this dimension here. Again I select the dimensions, I select this line and this is 15 mm. Now if I want to select this dimension, I select dimensions, select this line and this is 175 mm. This is the way how to apply dimensions in CATIA drafting. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.